Hello everyone, welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Today we are going to make a new and interesting recipe, mutton masala toast. ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. Don't forget the bell icon. In a pressure cooker, we'll add 1 kg mutton and salt to season. Cook on medium-low heat until it whistles twice. Then cook for another 10 minutes. Open the pressure cooker and check if the meat is cooked and tender. Save the mutton stock for later. Now separate the meat from the bones. Heat a medium-sized pan. Add butter. Add crushed garlic. Now fry the garlic till it has a golden color. To spice it up, add chili flakes. Now we'll add 1 cup of the mutton stock. Add the deboned meat. We'll pour in some black pepper for an added warmth. Add the rest of the stock and keep cooking on a medium-high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. Heat another pan. Add butter and toast the bread. We want a crispy texture and a beautiful golden color. To assemble the masala toast, dip the toasted bread in hot but not boiling cream from both the sides. Spoon the mutton masala on top. Garnish with finely cut green chilies, coriander and a splash of lemon juice. Our mutton masala toast is ready to be served.